So we start off today's video with these glam candle holders. Now you can use any type of color you want for the glitter. You can go with gold. These are really pretty. Nice, simple, gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at DIY project ideas and react to them. Oh, really cool lamp design. I like the fact that you can change the colors. And then I threw in something a little bit different. So here someone is making their own jewelry. So she's using clay in order to do this. And if you guys do like the idea of seeing different projects being done other than home decor, let me know in the comments. I just want to mix things up a little bit around here. I really like the cow aesthetic for this one. Very cool design, and I love the fact that you can just make your own jewelry. You can do earrings, necklaces, rings, whatever you desire, all out of clay. That is just so cool to me. And then we have an Ikea hack. So this one is spring inspired. This is a pretty simple one as well, so I wouldn't even really call this a hack. I would just call this like a decor piece. And she's basically putting like flowers in here. And this is just such a nice little refreshing spring decor piece. I love it. And you can use fake flowers for this too if you really wanted to. But I think that the real ones just add a nice little touch. Plus it probably smells amazing. So then we got a Five Below DIY. Oh, they added some gold to it. Okay, I'm already a fan. Rhinestones. Dollar store flowers. Oh, wow, this is really cool. Very pretty. And this is also another like spring design with the butterflies and everything. That's cute. So next up, these basketball inspired planners are so cool. I love the pink one. So cute. So it's basically all ready to go. You just have to cut it. That's pretty cool. And it's an easy project to do as well. So it looks like we have another DIY that involves some spray paint. So it looks like she has like different planners here and she's drawing like cute designs on them. That is nice. I love the bright and bold colors. That's really cute. And then we have the bubble vase. So she just has some wooden beads here, gluing them together. Very easy project. I'd say very beginner friendly with that one. And then we have a bottle vase design. So this is just an ordinary bottle going in with a glue gun, creating a design. And then spray painting it. So she goes with gold, easiest color to work with. Well, black and white is also easy too, but. Oh, so she's taking the glue gun glue marks off the bottle and leaving it like with the clear. Oh, that is really pretty. I've never seen that before. Usually people leave it and it's like a nice little texture to the vase, but removing it is pretty nice. And then here's another easy spring centerpiece idea. Baby's breath and a candle. Followed by a cloud design DIY. So she stacked several cardboard clouds together. Added the fairy lights. Oh, that's cute. I love that. Oh, it's for the nursery. Oh, so cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy these DIY project ideas. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.